Good morning and welcome dear students to all in English video class. Once again we are in English literature class and going to start a new poem that is After the Storm. The poem After the Storm is written by our favorite writer William Wordsworth. So today we are going to start with this poem, and without waste of time let us begin the poem. So you can see that the poem is it is not coming properly, but I tried to have the proper pic of your book. So this is the page from your book. I'll read the poem, then after I'll explain you. The first line of the poem says that there was roaring in the wind all night. The rain came heavily and fell in floods. But now the sun is rising calm and bright. The birds are singing in the distant woods. Over his own sweet and voice, the stork dove broods. The jay makes answers and Maggie chatters. And all the airs is filled with pleasant noise of water. All things that love the sun are out of doors. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moors. The hare is running races in her mirth, and with her feet she from the grassy earth races a mist that glittering in the sun runs with her all way whither she doth run. So that was the poem. First of all, we will see the meanings of the all red printed words. So you can see that here the meaning is given. Children, stork, doe, jay, and magpie. These are birds of different kinds thought by the speaker as a different person are indicated by the writer. Then brutes. What is brutes? So the writer says brutes are the birds sits on the edge and it hatch them. Clear? Then what is the meaning of makes answer? Makes answer means answers or the respond, okay, that the animals are giving in the poem. Then waters, different water bodies writer is talking about, such as river, lakes, and streams. Then after mirth is the meaning of mirth is joy and merriment. And Plassy is with pools and puddles of water, that is Plassy. Races a mist that sun runs with her. It means the hare's running feet through up a small cloud of water drop. Okay, in means this shines in the sunlight and follow the hare as it runs. Clear? And then after dot is a old word that is for dust. Okay, there are two lines given about your writer. I'll explain you that William Wordsworth loved nature and has written many poems describing the beauty and bounty of nature. Here he describes one of nature's mood, the joy felt by birds and animals in the morning after the stormy night. So this is all over the poem that we are going to have. Okay. So children, first of all we will see the summary of the poem. In the first this poem is the first two stanza of a much longer poem by William Wordsworth called Resolution and Independent. Okay, so these two stanzas are taken from the much longer poem of William Wordsworth, that is Resolution and Independence. These lines describe a calm morning after a stormy night. The first two lines paint the scene of a dark and stormy night with heavy wind and rain. That is why the title says After the Storm. Okay, what happened after the storm the writer is talking about in this poem. Okay, but the rest of the poem presents the contrasting picture of a new day breaking in the glow of morning sun. The storm of the night has passed and the morning is peaceful. Okay, then after, and there are expressions of joy with the relief the change in the weather brings birds brings birds fill the air with their joyous songs. The dove cooks softly while the jay and the magpie make such a noise that they seem to be talking loudly each other. Okay, they are very happy, so that is why they're making a sound like that. That seems that they are talking to each other. The gurgle of the flowing water adds the sound to the birds. Sound of the birds seems as if all of nature has come out to enjoy the morning. The sky The sky seems happy at the birth of a new day, and the grass is glittering with the sunlight on raindrops. The best expression of joy is from a hare that runs about so fast on watery land, and her feet is splash fine drops of water that looks as if a shimmering ball of mist is chasing her. Okay, so that was all about the summary of the poem. If you want to go detail about this poem, I have given some more explanation of this poem here. You can read and then try to get your answer here. Okay, so without waste of time, let us explain. I will explain you the poem. Clear, children? So here the writer is saying the condition of after the storm is talking about that the last night there was heavy rain came, and what happened in the morning he was talking about, see that there was a roaring in the wind all happened that there was a stormy night. The wind has a sound that was a roaring types of sound. The rain came heavily and fell in the floods. How heavy the rain was, due to its heavy rain, there was flood around us. And but now the sun is rising calm and bright. The birds are singing in the distant wood. Now he is turning towards the morning side and telling that now this time the night has gone, and now this time the morning time has took a birth, and then it is a peaceful morning. Okay, the sun is rising with a calm and bright. It is very peaceful and very bright, and due to that all the birds are singing from the distance over his own sweet voice of dove. Stork broods, and Jay makes answers as Maggie chat. Okay, so here the writers, they are different kinds of birds. Writer is saying that all these birds are very happy. They are making different sounds, so that it says it shows that they are talking to each other. They are responding what other birds are saying. Okay, and all the air filled with the pleasant noise of water as they are churning here and there. So the voices of water are filled in the air. All things that love the sun are out of doors. Okay, writer is saying that the nature looks very lovely. Okay, so that is why the person, the creature, and everybody who loves the sun is out of their door. Okay, the sky rejoices in the morning birds. So the sky also very happy, and it seems happy. How? Because it is the morning scene is as much as happy, so that everybody is enjoying that. The grass is bright with the raindrops on the moss. Okay, as when the raindrops comes, it looks like silver color in sunshine, no? So writer is saying that was how the minor description by the writer is given here. Okay, the hare is running races in her mouth. Hare is an animal, so it is also very happy, and it is running with its happiness. Okay, and with her feet she from the plashy earth races the mist that glittering the sun. Okay, plashy had the pudding water. Okay, she when she runs, she just going into the puddy water, and then from there was a drop of water comes and raise up, and it looks like a silver and glittering in the color. Runs with the hair all the way, she whether she runs, whether she goes there, we found that types of waters comes. Okay, so children, these all are about this poem after the storm. I hope that summary, and this summary you have to write in your copy, or if you don't want to write, you can take the help of this video, or I will be giving the PDF of this video. You can take from there, from campus care, and you can write, you can just read these things. This is more about this poem, and for the next class we will be moving towards question answer of this poem. So till that time, thank you so much, and have a nice day.